Today we will make dry and stuffed peppers. For this recipe you will need 500 grams of pig meat, 500 grams of calf meat, 3 tablespoons of ivar, 2 medium-sized shallots, 2 medium-sized onions, some rice, but you will need first to wash it and then boil it, extract the water, and you will later need it like that. Also you will need some powdered paprika, 3 bay leaf leaves, some vegeta, that is dried vegetables with salt, 20 dried paprikas, this is it, they're dried. Also you will need 5 cloves of garlic, 7 or 8 grains of black pepper, 1 red onion, 1 leek, and here we have some salt and ground pepper. We need to cut the onions. Not too big. Then when you finish this, you will also cut the leek, garlic, red onion, shallot. I like to mix couple different onions. Every one of them gives some kind of different taste. That is why I almost always mix several different. So the onions are chopped. Now take yourself a pan, put some oil in it, not too much, like this, and now let it heat up. Now while the oil is heating up, you will put these paprikas, you will need to soften them, and you will do that by putting them in mild water, not too hot, not too cold, and let them sit there until you finish all other stuff that you're gonna need to do. Put in the bay leaf. Add your onions. Mix them a little bit. And if you see that small amount of oil, you're gonna need a little bit, but for now it's okay. Now chop the chili flakes inside. They are very hot, that is why I put so little in. Now what you're gonna do is put the salt in and pepper and mix it, and you will add a little bit of water and put some cover on the top so the onions soften a bit. While the onions are slowly cooking, you will need to mix the pig meat and the calf meat. Also you will add red powdered paprika. Just mix this, mix that. Now into the mixture you will add red paprika. Now with your hands you're gonna mix the meat all together so it blends with vegeta and paprika. And when you finish this, we will proceed to the next step. So see how the onions have softened. Now you will need to take out the bay leaf and save it for later. Just be careful so you don't hurt yourself. In this mix now you start adding your meat. You will need to break it down a little bit, the meat, so it can blend with onions. This is almost done. The meat just needs to lose its color. I mean, it needs to get fried a little bit. Not too much, but you don't want it to be alive. Just turn on your heat source on low and mix it until almost everything mix well together. And after this is over, you will add your rice in here that you have previously washed, but I needed to cook my rice also a little bit because it's hard as it can get. But usually you wouldn't need to do that. You would just need to wash it and add it to this mixture. So it's almost done, and the last step you will need to try it a little bit. So you check if it's good on salt, but it's okay. And now the last step, you will add your rice. This is done. Now you're gonna leave it to cool down about 20 minutes. Now take yourself a pot that you're gonna cook the paprikas, however, whatever. And now you're gonna take them and see how they softened. Take yourself a spoon and fill in all of them. But be careful so you don't break the paprika. And that is it. Just fill in everything. Here is some mixture for about 20, maybe more. But if you don't have access to this kind of paprikas, you can take regular ones, fresh ones. So you're gonna put them in pot. You're gonna place them in circles like this. This is how it should look when you are finished. Now you will add the black pepper. You will also add the bay leaves and the one that we have saved previously. Put inside a little bit of ivar here and there. Now you will take the water that previously were our paprikas, because this is all taste, nothing more. And you will add water by this level. Water will just need to cover the top of paprika. Now just tuck them in a little bit so they submerge a little bit, not too hard, you don't want to break them. And that is it. Now you're gonna cook them about 1 hour on medium heat or 2 hours on low heat. So you're gonna need to take a pan and wait a little bit so the oil gets heated nicely. Place 2 teaspoons of powdered paprika inside and carefully mix it. Don't burn it, you need to stir it fast. And when that's done, you just sip it on top of the paprika. Now when you have put your finish on top, or zaprška, how we call it on Serbian, you're gonna leave it on very low heat for about 20 minutes and then leave it to cool down. And that would be it. Thank you for watching. If you are new around here, consider subscribe, like or share. Ciao.